Open one.
This is Vicky Rodriguez.
This asshole thinks he's famous.
District Attorney.
You're gonna pay for what you did.
Has been brutally
Yes,
attacked
Falcone
in the
got
Solid
dent in
Green
the end.
courthouse. Here's what we know at this hour. It began at a routine competency hearing for an Irving Matches Malone.
Dent actually gave a shit about this city.
You belong here.
After Malone became violent under questioning by D.A. Dent, Blackgate psychiatrist
You're gonna fly for
Dr.
this.
Jonathan
Public
Crane
work.
approached him to administer a sedative. Malone resisted and grabbed the sedative from Dr. Crane. Then, without remorse, he attacked D.A. Dent from the stand. Dent was rushed to the emergency room. At this time, we have no updates on his condition. What kind of sedative could cause such a severe reaction?
There he is, the
We
bastard!
consulted believes Crane was using a nebulizer.
Get this asshole to his cell, quickly.
Highly concentrated, it would have acidic properties which could cause severe chemical burns. I'll
Open
be
four.
standing by to bring you any further information on this horrifying situation as we receive it.
Open five. Let him through. We scanned him at the courthouse.
There he is!
Keep the walkway clear.
Dent got what he deserves!
The DA's down! All hail Malone!
Cops, courts, please! Cops, courts, please!
I'm right, Malone!
Through that door.
Bolton, listen, I don't have to...
End of the line! No more due process. No more trials. No more appeals. Straight to execution.
Gotta get out of here.
I was starting to get impatient. I want you awake for this. Say hello to the gas chamber, Malone. And then say goodbye to everyone and everything else.
All this, just because I kicked your ass.
No. This is for Harvey Dent.
What's Harvey got to do with any of this?
When Batman lost his spot, Dent was the only one doing what needed to be done. You tried to destroy him for it. This is the revenge, Malone. The punishment fits the crime. Any last words?
Let me out, and maybe I'll spare your life.
Not sure that'll fit on a tombstone. But we're not gonna give you one of those anyway. I thought I told you to strap him down tight!
I did.
Let me out!
Doesn't matter. Start it up!
Otis said you'd arrive as one of us, an inmate.
My man here's convinced you're the Rat King.
Yeah? What do you think?
I'm not sure, but I know you're on our side.
You saved my life.
You would have done the same for us.
You already have, my king. Saved us all. Now go. Lead the day of wrath.
Doors are locked. Talk about inmates running this out.
These rats don't want to run a damn thing. Blackgate's gonna burn.
Love striking men!
Gotta get to the Batcave. Everything's locked. I'll take a tunnel.
Malone! My king!
Otis.
What a fool I was. Describing heaven to he who built it. An ark. That is how you will lead us. It was all revealed to me.
An ark?
A great ship. Yes. I'm sorry I cannot help you lead them. Go. Go now. Set sail for our promised land.
Rest. You've done well, Otis, and you'll join us in the promised land.
Yes. Join you in Gotham.
There's the window to my cell. Batcave's just beyond.
Now's our chance. The cell is open! Give me that gun, Arnie boy!
Arnold Wesker, stop right there!
Oh, finally, some action.
One last time.
Initiated. Batsuit ready. Please equip cowl. Batsuit. Welcome, Batman.
So you've retired, Mr. Malone. Your very own Virgil.
You led me to trouble as much as the truth.
One enters the land of shadows not to stay, but to return with a blessing, which may be your shadow itself.
Then that part of him I'll keep, Alfred.
Harvey Dent left a message for Bruce Wayne, sir. Sounded urgent.
Play it.
Bruce, I know you're probably on a boat somewhere sunny right now, but you really need to call me. I'm about to head into a pre-trial hearing for this Blackgate scumbag, and I was looking into his associates earlier, and brother, it's the craziest thing. And it's... I can't leave it in a message, so please, this time, call me back.
Alfred, call him back.
I've tried, sir, but he seems to have left the hospital.
Transferred?
I'm afraid I'm not sure.
Look into it.
I received a call from Oracle while you were away. She discovered something on the tape sent to her via Dr. Tompkins. Perhaps you should call her back.
Hey, Batman. A tape showed up on my doorstep, so I analyzed it. That voice, that's the Rat King, right? Whoever he is, he was using some pretty old equipment, like 1950s, maybe even 40s stuff. Oh, and get this. There was this metallic echo in there that I compared to some of the other recordings, and it perfectly matches the signature you get from the metal siding they used during World War II to make
boats. The Ark Otis was talking about.
Right? I did some digging and found these old records referring to a dock beneath Blackgate, decommissioned since the early 60s when the new landing was constructed. Oh, and get this. The dock is directly beneath a cave below the cell blocks. I was trying to find a way down there, but without more data...
I've got it. Thank you, Oracle.
You're not hanging up on me?
No, but I need to leave right...
Say no more. Good luck.
Alfred, dismantle the Batcave. I have an idea.
If you're absolutely sure your work in Blackgate is done, sir, touch the panel in the center of the Bat computer.
There's a passageway behind the statue. I'll go down to access it.
Any idea who that was?
Someone who was in my way. Oracle, I'm in the cave.
That cave should connect to a World War II naval complex.
Astounding. No one investigated this when they built the prison.
Blackgate is home to the abandoned, in more ways than one. We can't leave them to the Rat King. The Bat Claw will open this.
That's a storage annex for reserve munitions.
The reserve munitions are gone.
That's bad.
I've got to hurry. Steel, brick, and ventilation. The Rat King's Ark must be just ahead. There's his Ark, a World War II Liberty ship.
That's huge!
The Rats will invade Gotham. I'm getting on board. The ship will clear the dock soon.
Don't let it get away!
It's accelerating.
Faster, Master Bruce.
Woo! You did it! Just ahead, you'll find the holds. No telling what's down there.
Barbara. Alfred. The ship is shielding the signal. No matter. I'll head to the bridge. I have to stop the Rat King.
We were never missing. We were here.
Let us out!
We're rats, man. We're the good guys.
Let us out!
Batman! Get me out of here! Talk about nick of time. I'm a cop. Gordon sent me in undercover.
I know. How did you get here?
Tiger. At least I thought they were Tiger, but they were working for the Rats. Caught me snooping the other night. Bagged me and brought me here.
Did you find the Rat King?
No. But get this, they got the DA too.
You saw Harvey Dent?
Just heard his voice. He's on board. Look, we need to get Gordon on this now. Get me out, I can help.
No, you're safer here.
What? Then go. Stop the Rat King. Man, this exciting.
I'll come back and free these rats. This has gone from bad to worse. The Rats and Yamashiro said Tiger's here. They'll be on me as soon as I step on deck. Tiger. The Rat.
You're gonna die in here. You know better than the rats. Every need right on. Let's see what you're made of. Persecution and wrongful prosecution.
might not be a rat, but you can... Shut him down! For the rest of the world!
Freaking you's gonna be fun! Tiger's got claws, Batman! We'll kill you!
We'll show you what real justice looks like!
You're gonna die! Our justice! I promise! I promise this will work! Cut that mess right off! You're gonna die! You're gonna die in here! Order a headache? I'll kill you, freak! You ain't so tough! Breaking you's gonna be fun! Breaking you's gonna be fun! Tiger's got claws, Batman!
Yamashiro said the Rat King has Harvey. They must be in the radio room.
When the clock
Harvey.
strikes midnight, we strike!
Batman?
When did you get here? I can handle this.
Handle what?
Saving Gotham. The hell do you think I'm doing here? The Rat King is on the ship! Bastard, he sabotaged the controls of the bridge and he sent us on a collision course for Gotham. But that's never gonna happen. Because I am gonna blow this ship out of the water. No more rats. No more Rat King.
You are the Rat King. Dent, you're not well.
I know what you're trying to do. But you don't get to be the hero tonight.
And in a related story, a new candidate for district attorney has thrown his hat into the ring. Harvey Dent, who at 27, the youngest lawyer in the public defender's office, is running on a promise to end crime in Gotham in 1 year's time.
Are you?
Harvey. You didn't tell me you were running for office? DA?
Yeah, Dad.
You trying to show up your old man?
Hey, you got my vote, Harvey.
Not mine. You are a Dent. You self sabotage. See, there's something broke in our brains. It sees the good in this world and sets it on mother knew it, that's why she left us. You get elected DA, boy. All of Gotham will know it too.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Hey, Dad.
Harvey!
Batman! You disappeared. Are you...
Master Bruce, is Harvey?
Harvey is the Rat King. I need to find him, Alfred. The ship's controls are sabotaged. This ship is now a missile headed straight for Gotham. And there's a bomb on the foredeck.
Master Bruce, another message from Harvey.
Harvey thinks he can save Gotham.
Be that as it may, he says that...
You get the sense that Dent's going over the edge? Yeah. We're going with it.
Batman is a traitor! Run it down! I can stop the Rat King!
When we get where we're going, I get better over this. It's damn hard. Dent's got the right idea. Any cop knows the prison system doesn't work. People we throw in prison come back on the streets worse than they were before.
You no longer
Time for a new life.
Shoot to kill! Execute this terrorist! Damn, this guy's not gonna count. Your future! The lives of your children! These are the stakes! Batman's body! Towards smoke! Justice with the foe! Where the hell is he here and watch my back?
Whoever did this, it's damn hard.
Damn, this guy's not gonna count. Stand down, or we'll gun you down! You said you would save Gotham!
The Rat King wanted to crash us into Gotham, but Harvey will sink us before we get there. I have to defuse this bomb. Harvey locked down his own bomb. Must have expected his GCPD friends to get cold feet. I have to get through these electrified barriers and weakened walls first. Time's running out. I need to hurry. Figure out how to defuse the bomb and detect division. Reroute the circuits to link up with the barriers, then overload them with the generator. Get up higher to cover the wall with explosive gel.
We wanted the same thing, Batman. Protect the innocent and punish the guilty.
Now to just cut the power supply. Harvey locked down his own bomb. Must have expected his GCPD friends to get cold feet. I have to get through these electrified barriers and weakened walls first.
Punish the guilty.
Now to just cut the power supply. The rats are safe now. Harvey's in the forecastle. I need to handle this gently.
The bomb's dismantled. It's over, Dent.
We're about to collide with GCPD headquarters.
Brace for impact!
It'll be over soon.
Harvey. I have to find Harvey.
I know you're occupied, sir, but you must hear this. The message from Master Dent is rather dire.
Hey, Bruce, things are pretty crazy right now, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it through the night, but I found him. The bastard that killed your parents, I found him. His name is Joe Chill. He was in Blackgate this whole time on different charges. And I swore to you, we would make him pay. And I'm gonna take care of this.
What will you do, sir?
I don't know, Alfred.
Dent, drop the gun!
Stay back! Kill me! Do it! Shut up!
It's okay! It's okay!
Don't!
Shut up!
Don't do this!
I made a promise to a 10-year-old boy! He was a little kid whose parents were taken from him by this monster! This is what Bruce Wayne.
This is not what Bruce wants.
How would you know
Because
what he wants?
Harvey! Because
I'm so sorry. So sorry.
Joe, just get the hell out of here. Joe, now! Harvey, I'm right here with you.
With us. We don't get to walk away from this, Brucey. Justice demands sacrifice. It's out of our hands. Bad news, kid.
You tried to protect me. Would have done the same for me.
I'm Alexandra Brackett, reporting live from the streets of Gotham, which are safe today, thanks to the heroic efforts of District Attorney Harvey Dent. Despite the attempt on his life only hours earlier, D.A. Dent, alongside Batman, stopped the Day of Wrath in its tracks. The DA's now recovering from injuries he sustained in that earlier attack by one Irving Matches Malone, a man who many suspect was, in fact, the Rat King. True or not, Mr. Malone remains at large, but a statement from Batman released by the GCPD assures us the Rat King and his threats have been neutralized.
Mr. Wayne. Well, not every day we see a billionaire like you here. Open 7.
Bruce, there you are.
How's he doing?
Confused and scared. His memories of what happened seem to be slipping away with each new day. And Bruce, I have to warn you. He's not alone.
Hey, Harvey.
What are we?
We're brothers, Harvey.
No. He means, what are we? right and wrong, light, shadow, and change.
What is this? Who put this in my hand? I'm psychotic, aren't I?
No. You have something called dissociative identity disorder.
Is there a cure?
There are treatments.
Just when did you get here? Don't worry, brother. This isn't the end of me.
This is the beginning of our